Hey, what's up? Jixer here. Wondering if you can recover chats even without a WhatsApp backup? While this may sound technically impossible, I've found a method that has proven surprisingly effective. In this video, I will show you the best way to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, whether you have a backup or not. Let's go. Before you start, keep in mind that you'll need a specific software tool for this recovery process. I've tested a lot of recovery tools, but honestly, this is the only one that actually brought back the data I needed. Now, full transparency. The software requires a premium subscription, but don't worry, you can use the free trial to scan your WhatsApp data first and check if your lost messages are still recoverable. So, no need to pay up front unless you're sure it'll work. And if you do decide to go for it, just use my link below to get the best discount available online. After installation, start the restoration process by selecting Recover Data from iOS devices. This option is perfect if you accidentally deleted your WhatsApp messages and don't have a backup in iCloud or iTunes. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer and use an original or an MFI-certified cable to successfully transfer data between devices. Keep your iPhone unlocked and complete the trust process when you're prompted. The software supports a lot of file types, but to speed things up, just select WhatsApp. At this point, simply wait as the program scans your device for recoverable data. This process may take some time depending on the file size, so keep your device connected to avoid interruptions. Once the scan is complete, the software allows you to review the recovered messages and attachments, giving you the option to restore everything or select the specific items you want to recover. After selection, click Recover to save them to your computer. For easy access, the software also provides an HTML interface where you can review your recovered messages anytime. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.